Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be showing you how to log into your HSBC bank account online. So whether you're using a computer, tablet or phone, this is going to be very straightforward. So first things first, simply open up your browser and head to the hsbc.com website. Or if you're in a specific region, you can also go to your local HSBC site like hsbc.co.uk or hsbc.com.au. On the homepage, simply look for the log on or online banking button. It's usually going to be somewhere on the homepage. So once you found it, simply click on it and you'll then be taken to the secure login page. From there, you then need to enter your username and then your security details, which is usually your password and the verification code or security key, depending on how your account is set up. And if you're logging in on a new device, HSBC might send a one-time code to your registered phone or email just to confirm it's really you. And once that's done, simply click log on and you'll then be taken straight into your account dashboard. From there, you can also check your balance, view transactions, transfer money, pay bills, or even manage your cards, all straight from the browser. And if you're on mobile, you can also do the exact same thing using the HSBC mobile banking app. So simply download it from your App Store or Google Play Store. Then log in using your online banking credentials and you have quick access to everything on the go. And that's it. So logging into HSBC online banking is super simple once you've got your details ready. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.